What?
Hang on!
Oh boy.
Stop! Wait! Wait!
Why can't I go through the door? Oh.
Wait! Shrimp!
Fucking. Oh.
I was behind someone, so it didn't count.
Oh my god. Who's running?
This guy better not push me!
That guy.
Get on the bed with us, we're gonna take lights out, you're joking.
No, stop!
Hi, it's me. But I'm in real life. And I'm telling you to go away now, because the video's over now. Bye.